G'day everybody. Today we're looking at the lamella flap disc of Worth. For those of you who don't know what the flap disc is, it is a aluminium oxide and corundum material stuck in little flaps together with a fiberglass backing. Now as you can see, there's a blue line here and a green line. So the blue line means it's good for steel, and the green line means it's good for stainless steel. So where does it leave you? By having one of these discs, you can decide whether you want to use it on stainless steel or mild steel. If you start using it on steel, keep it on steel. If you start using it on stainless steel, you keep it on stainless steel. The reason for that is, if you change from steel to stainless steel or stainless steel back to steel, you might get cross-contamination between the steel. So today I'm going to do a demo for you. It is ideal for burr removing, for removing welding, for removing sharp edges on steel. Anybody can utilize this, and low vibration on your grinder and a low noise as well. As you know me, safety first, with standard safety glasses, leather gloves and a leather apron, and I'm going to utilize the Worth M Cube cordless grinder.